Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to input a quiz on ConvertKit. So guys, you can use Interact to integrate your quiz with ConvertKit. So guys, first set up your quiz in Interact. Just simply log in into your Interact Quiz Maker account. And from there, just simply open the quiz that you want to integrate with. And after that, just make sure to turn on the lead generation button. It will be on the left side. And from there, just simply configure the quiz opt-in form as needed and just simply provide all of the necessary information in order for your quiz to be more valuable and completed. And once you have completed your quiz, just simply click on a save and continue. And now after that, guys, just simply integrate your quiz with ConvertKit by just simply selecting ConvertKit from the direct integration list. And after that, just simply enter your ConvertKit API key and API secret. So in order for you to find that, just simply go ahead and go to your ConvertKit and go to your profile on the top right over here, and then just simply go to the settings on the drop down. And on the left side, if we scroll down, we should be able to see here developer. So just simply click on that, and from here you should be able to see here your API key and API secret over here. And just simply provide it in the Interact and just simply follow the prompts to complete the connection. And from there, guys, additional features is that you can use Interact's AI quiz maker, so you can create a quiz tailored to your brand, and you can segment leads based on the answers they chose in the quiz. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.